Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the new XRP video. 5.06% in green. Is it possible? I mean, everything is in red, but XRP is in green. I mean, there are a few coins that are in green as well. But this candle is really nice because yesterday we went all the way down to this white line, this 10 moving average, and we bounced right back up again. We are still in the triangle, but we are above the moving averages, and that's very good. So we're gonna talk about it. But before we get into that, there is a link down below for the Telegram channel. We're trying to hit 4,000 members. Now we actually hit 4,022 members. So join the party. Let's get into charts and see what's actually happening down here. Wow, so XRP is one of the things that are right now still very bullish because we are above all the moving averages. You can see here above all the moving averages. This is the 10, the 20, the 50, the 100 moving average, and we are right now sitting right up here above all the moving averages, testing this resistance because this is one hit, second hit, third hit. This is fourth hit on the resistance. So we are looking if we can break this. If you can break this resistance line right over here, if you can break that, then the next test will come at 165, where this resistance is actually here, this top over here. Because doing that, making going above here, above 65, closing above here, will give us something called higher high. So this is high, this is higher high. That's an option, and that's actually very good and very positive thing. Whether that's gonna come or not, it kind of depends. But right now it looks quite nice. It looks quite nice, and there is no immediate danger signals or anything like that. Right now we are looking to get this bullish cross maybe and to get above the resistance. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hourly time frame over here. You can see here, even on the 4-hourly time frame, we are above all the moving averages down here, and that's also very bullish thing. So right now there is still 20 minutes left to go, but this looks like it can just manage to close above all the moving averages. If we can manage to close above 1.5, this level up here, that means that we are technically above all the moving averages, and we might actually just continue pumping further up. Whether that's going to happen or not depends, but you want to be above all the moving averages if you want to be in uptrend. That goes also for the 1-hourly time frame, and 1 hourly you can see here that we actually managed to get up here. Right now we are holding this 50 moving average, and we are just waiting for this 10 moving average and 20 moving average to actually come with the price and push us to the upside. So this looks to me, this looks very bullish. Let's see just here if we have yes, on the 1-hourly time frame there is a divergence, guys. There is a divergence. That's why we are pumping right now. You can see here that the price on the 1-hourly time frame is going down while the RSI is going up. And right now the price is getting pushed to the upside. Now this is 1-hourly time frame, so nothing is actually confirmed or finished, but it is looking good. So that's why we are getting pushed on the upside right now. That's because of this 1-hourly divergence. Now I think 1-hourly divergence is already played out. So whether we're gonna top out here or something like that right before the resistance, it depends to see. But if that's gonna happen, then you will see the break on the moving averages. We're gonna break below all the moving averages and start tumbling down. But right now that doesn't seem that way. Right now it looks very good because we are holding this 50 moving average on 1-hourly time frame. We got support. We went back up again. So this technically looks very good on 1-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly it also looks very good because we are right now looking to close above all the moving averages, and on daily time frame we are actually pumping to close above all the moving averages. So there is not much is gonna be left to do besides going above this resistance. But guys, as always, Bitcoin is doing terrible right now, as you have noticed. So if we start getting rejected by the resistance, you also have to understand that there is possibility that we are going to break everything and continue going to the downside again. We might do something that like Cardano did. It went outside of the wedge. This is trying what it went outside and then exploded to the upside. So that might also be something like that happening here, that you get some kind of a bear trap, like you go down and everybody starts shorting, going down, and then suddenly it continues going up. So just because we are getting rejected, you have to also say that we might actually fall down. But if we fall down, there is a chance that we might actually go out. A lot of assumptions, but that might happen. But the biggest thing is we have to wait for confirmation. If the price breaks this triangle, this resistance line, the wicks doesn't matter because it can go all the way up here. I don't care. It can go all the way up to 2. But if it retraces back and closes inside the triangle is like it never was outside of the triangle. So what we are technically looking for right now is the price to go up and close above the resistance line, then go above and close above the 165, and then continue going up and closing above this level up here at 1.83. So there are three stages we have to go through, and after that I think it can actually go quite high, but we won't talk about any kind of targets right now. There is a 2.6 target over here, but let's not get lost in the technical analysis right now. What has to happen, like first steps first, as always. Right now we just have to retest the resistance and see if it's gonna break. If the resistance break, like there is a good possibility that we might continue higher up. On the 4 hour, you can see also that the resistance almost never got broken. Here we got broken, but then got pushed right back down again. So you want to see a little more stable resistance on the 4 hour time frame being broken. Like you want to stay here and you want to continue going sideways or something like that, even retesting this and then bouncing off maybe on the 4 hour before we actually can conclude that we are actually a broken resistance. So there are some kind of technicals that needs to be taken into consideration, but it does look good and it can continue going higher. So we're gonna keep on watching XRP, and if you want to know what's gonna happen tomorrow or what's happening tomorrow, come back to the channel, subscribe. We are doing XRP every single day, watching it go up and down and stuff like that. So do join us. See you around, guys. Bye bye.